guys, welcome back. So today I've got a very special video for you. It's an unboxing video of the iPhone 10 and I'm absolutely so excited to show you this phone. It's literally just been delivered to my door about 10 minutes ago, so I've got it here. So I'm really excited. It will be a live kind of unboxing. I've never seen it before. So I'm really excited to do this with you. It feels really heavy and I just can't wait. So currently I have the iPhone 7 Plus and I'm using that to film with today, so I can't show you. But I've been wanting to upgrade for such a long time and my contract is finally up. So yeah, I've upgraded and I'm so happy. So I've got some scissors here, just in case that, you know, it's going to be quite tricky. So I'm just going to, I don't know if you can see that well. So basically this is the package and it feels really heavy, like I said. So I'm just going to get into it now. I'm really excited. I don't know if I should lower you a bit. I'm just going to cut into it. So excited. So basically this is the delivery notes and a little note from my network carrier. So this is it. Oh my god. I bought it in the space grey. I was going to get the white phone. I don't know what it's called. The I think it's just called white, I think, isn't it? I was going to get that, but I've always wanted the black shiny iPhone. Even with the iPhone 7 Plus, I wanted to get the shiny one because I think that's, I've always loved the high gloss black. And when I got the rose gold, it was all the rage. It was 2 years ago, and then it just became really basic and really chavvy. So I don't like rose gold. So I thought, you know, so I was so, because I have seen the white phone in the shop and I was tempted, but I hope I've not made a mistake. So we'll see what it's like when I open it. So basically this is the box and it says includes iPhone X, earpods with lightning connector, lightning to headphone jack adapter, lightning to USB cable and USB power adapter, supports GSM, I don't know what that means. So space grey, here we go. This is a little, oh wow. Apparently I was told that the screen is the same size, but the phone is smaller. So, right, so this is the little inside bit and it's got the hello. We'll go through that in a second, but, oh my God, here we go. Wow. I'm just gonna take the sticky thing. It's really heavy. Oh my God, I can't believe this. Look at it's absolutely beautiful. I haven't made a mistake. I love this. I love this because it looks black, but it's kind of a clear black. If you know what I mean, it's like hazy kind of black. Oh my God, it feels so heavy. And this, apparently the screen is the same size, but it's a lot smaller phone, and that is right. I've just compared it to the iPhone 7 Plus. Right, okay, so I can't believe it. I'm gonna have to turn it on. Right, okay. How do I turn it on? At the top? Side? Hello. This is so cool. The pixels are insane. So what do? I don't even know what to do to start it up. Swipe to open. Oh, swipe up. There's no SIM card. I need to put my SIM card in it. Not used to the white, that being at the top, you know, the black kind of. And there's no home button either, so it's literally just a glass phone. I have to get a case because basically it's just an all glass phone, so this could smash. Knowing me, probably will. I'm gonna have to skip this because I might need my SIM card to start the phone up, I think. Or not. Let's just Face ID. Right, so I've heard about this. Face ID is literally it uses your face. Right, okay, so continue. It uses your face to unlock your phone. And it apparently follow the arrow. What? Move your head so. That's it. This is it. I'm in shock. So basically, the rest of, so basically, I have the lighting connector there, and the headphones too, the lightning cable and the charger there. So you don't really need to see that. But these are the best earphones ever. When I lose earphones, I never ever get the you know, the cheap ones you can get because they can damage your iPhone. So I always have to get the Apple ones, even though they're really expensive. So let's have a look at the hello bit. So this is welcome to the iPhone, Face ID home. So this is all the instructions. Power off. Oh my god, right, I am in shock. And the stickers obviously, which I never know what to do with these. Let me put them on a laptop. This is a little like note here just to tell you about the Apple and how it's authentic. So excited to see how it takes pictures. Can I do it right now? Can I take a picture without having, oh, I think I can. So much smaller than the iPhone 7 Plus. It's gonna take some getting used to, I think, definitely. Camera as well is beautiful. I love how it's positioned in a different way. That's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this iPhone 10 unboxing. I'm absolutely over the moon. I can't wait to go play with it and see what it's all about. I'm so happy. Yeah, comment below, do you have an iPhone 10? Is there any things that I need to know? Because obviously I'm brand new to the phone, so I'll be like, figuring everything out. What don't you like about it? Please let me know. Yeah, I'm in shock. Sorry, this is probably the most like crazy iPhone unboxing. Like, I'm in shock because I've been wanting this phone for such a long time. I love Apple as well. I love Apple. So yeah, I hope you have a really, really good day. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.